Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to find the Laplace transformation of 1, right? This is 1 over s when s is greater than 0. So let's prove that. Firstly, let's see what is a Laplace transformation. So let's say Laplace transformation of fx. This is integral of 0 to infinity. Here it is fx times e to the power minus st dt, and this is the Laplace transformation formula. So let's find this value. So I need to find Laplace transformation of 1. So this is integral of 0 to infinity. Since the function fx is 1 times e to the minus st dt, right? So this is simply 0 to infinity e minus st dt. When I integrate this one, e to the minus st over minus s, limits are going from 0 to infinity. So I can write 1 over minus s since it is a constant. Now I can plug these values, right? So I can plug e to the st, limits from 0 to infinity. So this is 1 over minus x, and this is 1 over e to the power s times infinity minus 1 over e s times 0, right? Since s is greater than 0, I can say this is probably positive infinity, right? So e to the power infinity, this is infinity, so 1 over infinity means this going to 0, right? Okay, then this is s times 0 is 0, then e to the power 0 is 1, so 1 over 1 is 1, right? This is 1 over minus s times 0 minus 1. This is minus 1 times minus 1 over s is 1 over s, right? So this is the answer. So Laplace transformation of 1 is simply what? 1 over s when s is greater than 0. So I hope you guys understood what I did here. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.